Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today we're here with another video in our how to start a stationery business series. I've truly enjoyed showing you guys all of the different products you can set up for your stationery business, how you can design them, upload them, and get them in your hands. Today we will be unboxing our Zazzle sticky notes. I love Zazzle. I use them a lot and I'm excited to show you guys how the sticky notes came out. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. My Zazzle order came in a brown poly mail. It might be eco-friendly, I don't know. I did order it on June 8th. It shipped on June 11th and it arrived on June 17th. Zazzle is quite like Printify in a way where they have different vendors and printers. Zazzle has different vendors all over the world who print different products for them. This Zazzle product came from Minnesota. I'm gonna go ahead and get my package out. I have my little Zazzle invoice or order sheet. It just says I ordered Post-it notes 3x3 full color and the price. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the price. The price of my Zazzle sticky notes in total came out to $11.30. That's what's on here. When you order from Zazzle, each sticky note comes with this little cover on the front. It's like a picture of what you order and then it tells you exactly what it is as well. I'm gonna peel that off and here we have our sticky note. I got two. Here's a sticky note with the logo, small business owner on there. Looks really good. I will do a writing test for you guys. Let's see what color. I'll do blue on that. My handwriting is not cute right now. I just put like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna lift that up to show you guys no bleed. Doesn't go through the paper. So I will have these. My Etsy shop. Again, first come, first serve. You wanna purchase it from my shop? You can feel free to do that. Everything that I order that I have more than one of will go in my Etsy shop. I'm super excited to just show you guys what you can do in your stationery business, places where you can get things. And remember guys, I am doing this for under $200. I'm using some of the places that I'm used to using. We are gonna continue unboxing all of these products as we go through and order them. And I think we're gonna have a nice group of products for our stationery business. I know you say stationery, but as a maker, we always branch out and do other things as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my Zazzle sticky notes. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.